So over here, you can see that I got a Dropbox paper file. So if I want to export this, I can export this in various formats. So once you're done actually editing your document, adding in contents, you can go over here onto this three dot right over here where it says more. So simply click on this, and over here, you have an option to export this right at the end. So once you click on this, what happens is that you can choose the file format you want to export in. For example, let's say I want to export this as a PDF. So I'm just going to click on export, and it'll prepare the file for export right over there, as you can see. And then now as it exported, now you can see right over here, it has downloaded the file. So you can open up the file by using like the PDF editor or something like this. And then you can see that you now can view the file as PDF. So let me just go back right over here, just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import this as a Microsoft Word document. So I'm just going to go to more right over here, and I can go to export. You can also go for a markdown format right over here, which is the third option. But one of the common format that you might want to use this with is Microsoft Word document. So let me just export this out, as you can see. So once I export this out, it prepares the document again, and it'll be downloaded. So let me just download this. It says allow multiple files. So you can see that now over here, the Dropbox file, the paper file, has been downloaded as a Microsoft Word document now. So I can open it up with Microsoft Word document and simply start correcting this. You can see that the formatting is not exactly the same, but there's a bit of changes right over here. Like the font has been changed right over here, as you can see right over here. So, and the picture placement, the lining is a bit different, but that is how Dropbox actually works like, because Dropbox focuses more on the content rather than the formatting of it. So this is how you can work around with Dropbox paper export settings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.